everybody, now we're at Rusutsu for skiing, and we chose this place because they've got lots of powder, and you have to go straight in the powder or else you get stuck and then fall. Oh, and look, Daddy's glove is hanging. Okay, where's me? Where's Mommy? Okay, there's me with the ears and the tail sticking out. And we can't see Mommy because Mommy's lost and Mommy is so slow. Where's Mommy? Oh no, I think we have to stop to search for Mommy. Oof, Daddy fell. Okay, Daddy got up. We finished waiting for Mommy. Let's go. Oh, there's yellow thing. It's a yellow string sometimes popping up because Daddy needs to hold attached. See that yellow string there? Okay. Daddy is going so fast. I cannot catch up. Wait, Daddy, wait. Okay, where's me? I can't see me now. Okay, there's me. We can't even see Mommy. It's just the two of us. Okay, I went past Daddy. Okay, where's me now? Oh, yeah. I went backwards. Haha, I went backwards. Easy, I went. And now I'm really back, but I still can't see Mommy. Where is Mommy? Mommy, where are you? Oop, went past Daddy. Daddy's slowing down. He's like, and Daddy's pointing to where we should stop and where we should go. Oop. Daddy wait and fall and see and wait and for Mommy. Oh, Isola Grand. We're at the Isola mountain, right? And so now we can ring a bell sometimes, and also we can go down the steep mountain. It looks like the whole world's moving now, but we still can't see Mommy. Why we always lose Mommy? Why? Okay, so now the wind is howling and blowing right now. So we have to stop, and we can't see. So I can't see myself. We can't see Mommy especially. We have to stop in this blurry, foggy, snowy wind. Oh, someone fell over there. So now the trees on the snow are all white. Looks like little finger witch or stuff. Like witches' fingers hanging around us. So I hope we don't get caught in the witch's fingers. So now it looks like we're going straight and some little snowballs are hitting Daddy's head. And there's me coming towards. Oh, Daddy fell. Okay, now Daddy's starting to snowboard. Oh, Daddy's sitting down again. Where's Mommy? We just started, but we still can't see Mommy. Is that Mommy? Maybe it's Mommy. And that's me. Maybe that's Mommy. And that's Daddy, of course, because Daddy is the closest person to the camera. And he's videoing, and his glove is like he's gonna come off. What happens if the gloves come off? Oh, Daddy almost touched the ground. Woohoo! Oh, okay. And so now we're skiing. Still can't see Mommy. Mommy's a snowboarder. Daddy's a snowboarder. I'm a skier. Look at Daddy's glove. And now it's got crazy strong wind. We can barely see. Looks like a big fog. So we have to wait and stop for Mommy because we can't see Mommy. We can't see each other. And I went upwards. I went up again. Should we stop, Daddy? Okay, we stop. Oh, wait. That's me. Oh, I got fixed with my hoodie warmer. Where's Mommy? Mommy, where are you? Okay, Now Daddy has spotted Mommy, so we go on the move. Woohoo! Going on the move. Going on the move. Going on the move. Okay, so what if Daddy's glove has fallen off? What do you think, Daddy? What happens if it falls off? Huh? Don't know. He lost the glove. Oh, almost touched the snow again. Now I'm a tiny dot right now. But there's a little blur in the snow. Daddy's helmet got a gap between his goggles because the wind is so strong it blows his helmet almost right off. Okay, we still can't see Mommy for some reason. Where are you, Mommy? Okay, so now I'm catching up. Daddy's slowing down for some reason. Don't know, I went away. Oh, Daddy almost fell. I went over there. Daddy's going backwards for some reason. Oh, he stopped. There's me. I'm trying to go backwards. Haha. Daddy's waving to Mommy. I'm waving to Mommy with my ski pole so it's more visible. Daddy's little tube for drinking water is out there, flying around. So in case we can drink water. I think I see Mommy, but I don't really see her. Oh, Daddy fell. Do. Lots of snow rocks tumble on Daddy. Now Daddy's so fast I cannot catch up. I cannot see myself. Oh, lots of snow balls like kind of spread on Daddy, like hit on Daddy. Now the witch fingers, he's getting closer to the witch fingers now. I hope he doesn't get caught. Okay, so I can't see me anymore for some reason. Oh, Daddy fell, and all the little snowballs spray on him and spread on him. Oh, I like a tiny dot now. Wow, tiny dot. So now the trees we're looking at looks like Christmas trees, and there's a sign there. Daddy's waving his hand to see to guide me where to go. Oh, now we're waiting for Mommy. Come on, Mommy, hurry. You're so slow. Look at Daddy. Whoa, hey, this way. Oh, okay, now on the Isola D bypass. Now, Daddy's still waiting. I don't even know where I am, but I don't even know where Mommy is too. Okay, we're on the move. There's Mommy. We're on the move. All three together. Come on, let's go. Hurry. Hurry. Come on, let's go. Daddy's so fast, I can't catch up. I'm a tiny pink purple dot, white dot now. Oh! Whoa, nice stuff. Oh, not cool, dude. You fell! Oh, and I almost crashed to Daddy. And I spread lots of snow on Daddy. Oh, there's mine. Da-da-da-da, dee-dee-da-da, dee-dee-da-da, dee-dee-da-da. Oh, now Daddy's all snowy and wet. His glove is hanging like it's holding on by itself. Daddy's got long balance. And me is all the snow. Spraying all the snow away. And all the snow from Daddy spraying on his jacket like little snowballs. That's why they call it powder. So much powder. And this Rusutsu, that's why we picked this place. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, now it's flat. And then lots of skiers need to push with their poles. And Eddie needs to go faster. I don't even know where I am. I probably slowed down or something. Okay, now we're at an Isola D. Isola D. Isola A, B, C, D, E. Isola A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, Daddy stopped. Hey, this way, come on. Oh, stop. Where's Mommy? Mommy, come on. Hurry. Okay, let's go. Woohoo! Yay! Where's Mommy? I don't even know where's Mommy again. Okay, now the witch fingers were getting close too. Daddy's going to get caught in wet fingers. Oh, I don't know where I am. Where am I? I think I saw a penny. Oh, whatever. Oh! Daddy fell. Oh, he's dragging the camera we're on now. Oh, there's lots of snow on the camera now. Oh, he fell in the icy powder. Ouch. Oh, look, I came. Wait. Oh, wait, Mommy, he's gonna crash. Okay, come on, Mommy. Oh, fix the camera. There's some snow. Here, come on, there's some snow. Okay, come on, Mommy. You just came really close. Why can't you go faster? Come on, Mommy. Mommy. Okay, whatever, we're just going on. It looks like it's nighttime right now. See all the clouds? And only a little bit white space. Now we're going through Christmas trees. Whoa, look at the big Christmas trees. Oh, I wish there were decorations there. Then it'll be so pretty. All the Christmas trees. All the Christmas trees. So we went here on New Year's Eve. Oh, not New Year's Eve. Chinese New Year for 2 weeks. Oof. 1 week for skiing. Where am I? Am I that little dot in the background? Oh, Daddy fell. Daddy got up again. Daddy got easy to get up, not hard to get up. So, oh, Daddy go down again. Why did he go down and go up and go down and go up and go down and up and go up? Okay, so now I'm in the background. Mommy's nowhere to be seen. Where are you, Mommy? Where are you, Mommy? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, Mommy? So Mommy decided to do her snowboarding because she thought she looked more cool, haha. Okay, so now that's enough. Thank you for watching this clip. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. We'll be doing more videos like this. Thank you.